Question number 1. In bryophytes, the female sex organ is flax-shaped and produces a single egg called option A. Autogamy, option B. Archegonium, option C. Heterothallism, option D. Antheridium. The correct answer is option B. Archegonium. Male sex organ is called Antheridium and female sex organ is called Archegonium. Then question number 2. Which of the following is an example of a short day plant? Options are option A spinach, option B radish, option C tomato, option D onion. Correct answer is option D onion. Then question number 3. Which of the following refer to the clearing of trees from a forest? Options are option A deforestation, option B reforestation, option C water pollution, option D global warming. Clearing of tree means cutting of tree. Correct answer is option A deforestation. Then question number 4. Histogen theory reveals three layers: spermatogen, peribellum, and pleurum, derived from separate initials of the apical meristem proposed by Johann Anton Schmidt, Johann von Hanstein, Carl Nageli. Option D. Gottlieb Haberland. The correct answer is option B. Johann von Hanstein. Question number 5. Polymerase chain reaction (PCR) is a technique used to option A. Stitching small segments of DNA, option B. Insertion of a genomic clone into a vector, option C. Sequencing of DNA, option D. Amplifying small segment of DNA. The correct answer is option D. Amplifying small segment of DNA. The next question number 6. Plants follow different pathways in response to environment or phases of life to form different kind of structure. This ability is called option A plasticity, option B apical dominance, option C differentiation, option D de-differentiation. The correct answer is option A plasticity. Then question number 7. In Anthoceros, a mature sporogonium can be differentiated into three parts, which include all of the following except option A bristle, option B capsule, option C seta, option D foot. The correct answer is option A bristle. The sporogonium of Anthoceros is divided into foot, seta, and capsule. Then question number 8. Stress hormone in plant is option A abscisic acid, option B ethylene, option C indolacetic acid, option D cytokinin. The correct answer is option A abscisic acid. Then question number 9. The Bhopal gas tragedy is a case of air pollution in which methyl isocyanate gas released from a option A pesticide manufacturing plant, option B paint manufacturing plant, option C plastic manufacturing plant, and option D glass manufacturing plant. Correct answer is option A pesticide manufacturing plant. Then question number 10. In aquatic plants, large air cavities are present in parenchyma to give buoyancy to the plants to help them float. Such a parenchyma type is called option A arenchyma, option B chlorenchyma, option C collenchyma, option D sclerenchyma. The correct answer is option A arenchyma. Then question number 11. In biology, the process in cells by which an enzyme make a copy of DNA from RNA means RNA to DNA is option A replication, option B reverse transcription, option C transversion, option D transformation. The correct answer is option B reverse transcription. Then question number 12. Asexual reproduction in liverwort takes place by fragmentation of thalli or by the formation of a specialized structure called a protonema, option B gamma, option C rhizome, option D prothallus. The correct answer is option B gamma cup. Then question number 13. Which of the algal genus have capsules? Option A ectocarpus, option B oidogonium, option C Spirogyra, option D, Polycyphenia. The correct answer is option B, Odogonium. Then question number 14. The common name of chlorophyceae is option A, red algae, option B, green algae, option C, black algae, option D, brown algae. The correct answer is option B, green algae. Red algae is called rhodophyceae, green algae is called chlorophyceae, brown algae is called phyophyceae. Then question number 15. The name Southern blotting after the name of Edwin Southern is a technique used to detect which component. Options are option A protein, option B DNA, option C lipid, option D RNA. Correct answer option B DNA. Southern blotting is used to detect DNA, northern blotting is used to detect RNA, and western blotting is used to detect protein. Then question number 16. Which of the following pair belongs to biotic and abiotic component? Biotic means living, abiotic means non-living component. The option A decomposers and soil, option B air and temperature, option B weed and tree, option D plant and animal. The option C and D both are biotic component. Option A both are abiotic component. The correct answer is option A, decomposer and soil. Decomposers means microorganism. These are biotic and soil is a abiotic component. Then question number 17. Which of the following is an example of a non-renewable resource? Option A wind, option B water, option C sunlight, and option D natural gas. Correct answer is option D natural gas. In question number 18. Synecology is defined as the study of the group or the communities of organisms, their compositions and their relationship with each other and their environment. It has been further classified into three types, which include all of the following except option A ecosystem ecology, option B community ecology, option C population ecology, option D habitat ecology. The correct answer is option D habitat ecology. Then question number 18, 19. Who coined the term phylogeny? Option A E. Haeckel, option B Louis Pasteur, option C Carl Linnaeus, option D Robert Hooke. The correct answer is option A Ernest Haeckel. Then question number 20. Phylogeny is commonly represented in which form? Option A, Punnett square. Option B, a floral formula. Option C, a codon. Option D, a cladogram. The correct answer is option D, a cladogram. Then question number 21. Who discovered the technique of genetic fingerprinting? Option A, Gregor Mendel. Option B, Alex Zephyr. Option C, Hargobind Khurana. Option D, James Watson. Correct answer is option B, Alex Zephyr. Then question number 22. In which of the following plants seeds are coated and developed in an organ or ovary? The options are option A bryophyte, option B gymnosperm, option C angiosperm, option D pteridophytes. The correct answer is option C angiosperms. Then question number 23. What is the major pigment found in Volvox? Volvox is a green algae. It is also called rolling alga. Option A chlorophyll A and D. Option B chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. Option C chlorophyll A and fucoxanthin. Option D chlorophyll A and B. So chlorophyll A and B is the correct answer. It is present in chlorophyceae algae. Then question number 24. Which type of spore produced by Riccia? Option A set of 4 spore. Option B, a set of 6 spore. Option C, a set of 8 spore. Option D, a set of 2 spore. Correct answer is option A set of 4 spore. Then question number 25. A simple gaseous plant growth regulator is option A cytokinin, option B ethylene, option C indolacetic acid, option D gibberellic acid. Correct answer is option B ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. Then question number 26. Which of the following oxygens has been isolated from plant? Option A 2,4-D, option B IAA indolacetic acid, option C gibberellic acid, and option D naphthalene acetic acid. The correct answer is option B IAA. Then question number 27. What is the current full form of acronym ICN, which regard to the plant nomenclature? Option A, International Code of Natural Selection. Option B, International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi, and Plants. Option C, International Code of National Park. Option D, International Conservational Network. Correct answer is option B, International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi, and Plants. Then question number 28. The Bhopal gas tragedy was an incident occurred in option A 5 to 7 December in 1981, option B 2 to 3 December in 1984, option C 4 to 5 December in 1985, option D 7 to 9 December in 1983. The correct answer is option B 2 to 3 December in 1984. Then question number 29. Burning fossil fuel like coal and wood add large amount of which gases in atmosphere? Options are hydrogen, option B carbon dioxide, option C oxygen, option D nitrogen. Correct answer is option B carbon dioxide. Then question number 30. Forest, grassland, and desert are some examples of option A aquatic ecosystem, option B pond ecosystem, option C river ecosystem, option D terrestrial ecosystem. Correct answer is option D terrestrial ecosystem. Then question number 31. A cup-like region of cells lying between the root cap and active meristematic region at the center is option A protoderm, option B calyptrogen, option C quiescent center, option D ground meristema center. So correct answer is option C quiescent center. Then question number 32. The term mangolials is used for which group of plants? Option A bryophytes, option B thallophytes, option C angiosperm, option D pteridophytes. The correct answer is option C angiosperms. Then question number 33. The operand model of prokaryotic gene regulation was proposed by option A Jacob and Monod, option B Avery and MacLeod, option C Mendel and Franklin, option D McClintock and Paulberg. The correct answer is option A, Jacob and Monod. Then question number 34. Golden rice produced by recombinant DNA technology carries genes for synthesis of which vitamin? Option A, vitamin D, option B, vitamin A, option C, vitamin B, option D, vitamin C. Correct answer is option B, vitamin A, which cure blindness. Then question number 35. The amount of biomass of organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis is defined as option A stratification, option B primary production, option C fragmentation, option D decomposition. Correct answer is option B primary production. Then question number 36. The nuclear division in corresponding to the separation of daughter chromosome is known as option A cytokinesis, option B quiescent stage, option C synthesis phase, option D karyokinesis. So nuclear division means karyokinesis. Correct answer is option D karyokinesis. Then question number 37. Decomposition of organic nitrogen of dead plants and animal into ammonia is called option A nitrification, option B ammonification, option C critical concentration, option D denitrification. The correct answer is option B ammonification. Then question number 38. Which of the following option is incorrect regarding major objective of plant breeding? Option A to develop plants that can tolerate extreme environmental stress. Option B to decrease the crop yield. Option C to raise plants with desired characteristic. Option D to develop a disease resistance crop. The correct answer is option B to decrease the crop yield. Then question number 39. Which of the female sex organ of polycythemia? What is that? What is the female sex organ of polycythemia? Options are option A antheridium, option B carpogonia, option C trichoblast, option D spermatangia. The female sex organ of polycythemia is called carpogonia. Polycythemia is a red algae. The male sex organ is called spermatangia and the female sex organ is called carpogonia. Then question number 40. Who received the Nobel Prize for their discoveries concerning genetic control of enzyme and virus synthesis? Option A, Max Knoll and Ernest Ruska. Option B, Jacob and Monod. Option C, Watson and Crick. And option D, Hersey and Chase. Correct answer is option B, Jacob and Monod. Then question number 41. Those plants which are restricted only to Arctic and alpine region above 4,800 meter in tropics and above 3,600 meter in the temperate zone of the world known as option A mesotherm, option B megatherm, option C microtherms and option D Hakistotherms. The correct answer is option D Hakistotherms. Then question number 42. Prokaryotes are made up of option A 80s ribosome, option B 70s ribosome, option C 40s ribosome, option D 60s ribosome. The correct answer is option B 70s ribosome. In eukaryote, they are made up of 80s ribosome. But in chloroplast and mitochondria, cell organelles, these are cell organelles, chloroplast and mitochondria, there is the present 70s ribosome. Then question number 43. The algorithm developed for phylogenetics are also used in software development in other fields is called classification. Option B forensic, option C conservation, option D computing and bioinformatics. The correct answer is option D computing and bioinformatics. Then question number 44. Mutual attraction between water molecule is option A cohesion, option B root pressure, option C surface tension, option D adhesion. The correct answer is option A cohesion. Then question number 45. A process that occurs when water moves out of the cell and the cell members shrink away from the cell wall is option A osmosis, option B imbibition, option C plasmolysis, option D diffusion. Correct answer is option C plasmolysis. The shrinkage phenomenon of protoplasm is called plasmolysis. Then question number 46. In which stage of Pachitin crossing over takes place? At 2 standard stage, at 4 standard stage, at 6 standard stage, at 8 standard stage. Correct answer is option B at 4 standard stage. Then question number 47. Moses in 1956 first discovered synoptimal complex, a feature of which stage of cell division? Options are meiotic anaphase, option B mitotic prophase, option C meiotic prophase, option D mitotic anaphase. Correct answer is option C meiotic prophase. Then question number 48. Mature basidiocarp is the fruiting body of agaricus. It is differentiated into which of the following part? Option A, pilus and stipe. Option B, rhizomer and gamma. Option C, gamma and stabile. Option D, stipe and cone. The correct answer is option A, pilus and stipe. Then question number 49. Nitrate present in the soil is also reduced to nitrogen by the process of option A nitrification, option B denitrification, option C ammonification, option D deamination. The correct answer is option B denitrification. Then question number 50. Which of the following is a free living nitrogen fixing anaerobic bacteria? Free living nitrogen fixing anaerobic bacteria. Options are Rhizobium, option B Rhodospirillum, option C Azotobacter, option D Bergernickia. The correct answer is option B Rhodospirillum. Watch next video for continue.